Hi, boys and girls. So we are going to practice drawing numbers on a pen frame today. So I'm going to help you a little bit, and then I want you to finish it. So what's going to happen is first I want you to put your name at the top of your paper. So my name is Angie, so I'm going to write my name up there. And then you're going to fill in the 10 frame for each number that you see in the circle. So the first one is number 1, so I'm going to draw one circle in the 10 frame. Now remember, when we do the circles, we don't put them just anywhere on the 10 frame. We always start on this side. So on number 2, draw 2 circles. So we do 1 and 2. Okay, so for 3, draw 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. How many circles are you going to do for 4? Yeah, we're going to do 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. On number 5, please draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now, what I want you to do is finish the numbers 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 10 on your own. And then I want you to check them with mine. So, push pause on the video, and then do the numbers, and then when you're finished, I want you to push play. So go ahead and push pause. Okay, so did you do all of the numbers? So let's check with mine and make sure you got them all right. So 6 should have the top row and one more. Did you get it? Nice. 7 should have the top row and 2 more. How did it go? Did you get it? 8 should have the top row and 3 more on the bottom. So if 8 has 3 on the bottom row, then 9 is going to have 4. And how many boxes are going to be covered for 10? That's right, all 10. So I want you to double check and make sure that you got all of those right. If you did, give yourself a smiley face at the top of your paper, or a star, or whatever makes you feel happy. Now we're going to turn the paper over on the back side. Now there are some numbers that are missing. So I want you to fill in the numbers that are missing the best that you can. So we're going to start with 1, 2. So what's going to go in this box? That's right, 3. Then 4. What's missing in the next box? 5. Then 6. What comes after 6 that's missing? Let's think about it. 7. Next is 8. Then what number is missing? 9. Good. 10. Now we get into a little bit harder numbers. It goes 11, 12. So what comes after 12? It's a 13, a 1, and a 3. And then what's next? It's 14, a 1, and a 4. 15, 16, and then we have 17 is a 1 and a 7. 18, we have one more missing number. Yep, 19 is a 1 and a 9. And then we have 20. All right, nice job. If you were able to do all of those answers, give yourself a smiley face at the top. Now that you've finished your worksheet, do what it is that your teacher has asked you to do next. Good job, boys and girls.